Good day, fellow observers. Today we are going to do a Dunkin test for version 12.5.4.1. It's gonna be a 15-minute drive, 6.5 miles. Let me activate FSD. Oh. Okay, good. So it activated, steering wheel is moving, so that means I know it's gonna move. Okay, good. We are on stop. Okay, good. Now we are at a stop. Okay, good cross. Oh, okay. No, this is not it. It can't do this. Okay, so it's making a right.
Now turn right onto Hempstead Turnpike.
So interesting here that it doesn't do this always. This is the first time.
500 feet, make a U-turn to stay on Hempstead Turnpike. Now make a U-turn to stay on Hempstead Turnpike.
I don't think it can make a U-turn here. Okay, so it says unable to complete maneuver. Please assist now. So let me disengage and make the turn myself here in the parking lot and then exit out. So that was a new thing for this route. Okay, now we have green. I'll make the turn here, but exit right away.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Hempstead Turnpike. Now turn right onto Hempstead Turnpike.
So I'm just driving, and make a left here. There is an exit. Okay, all right. So let me activate here. So FSD will have to make the decision to make a right. Okay, there are lots of cars at the moment, and FSD is doing micro creep, which is good. Okay, it's gonna take some time for us to make the turn. I see a lot of cars. Okay, now we have a window. Okay, good. Okay, good lane change here. Nice. Okay, so we are back at the usual route. Now we have a green light and we are advancing. Okay, FSD kind of slowed down a bit, but was able to make the advance. So that was good. So we have a green light up ahead, so now we are advancing. Now the red light turned green, so we are going to move forward. Now the thing is, we need to make a lane change because in 0.1 miles we are making a right. Well, let's see when
In
FSD can
500
do
feet,
this.
turn right onto North Bellmore Road.
Okay, good. Was able to get some space.
Now turn right onto North Bellmore Road.
Now we make a right here.
Now stay straight to take the Wantagh Pkwy North ramp.
Okay, good. Now it does this slowly though, I have to say. Now we're going to merge. I think we have a clear path here. Alright, good. Okay, now it's going to the passing lane. Nice.
In 1 mile, take exit W2W on the right onto West Old Country Road, then turn right to take the Old Country Road ramp.
Okay, good lane change. We have more than enough room. And now we exit here. Oh, we're not exiting here.
Now take exit W2W on the right.
Alright guys, I may have
Now turn right to take the Old Country Road ramp.
chosen the wrong Dunkin' Donuts. Alright, still okay. We are
Now turn right
testing.
onto Old Country Road.
We are testing the same route, but I'm gonna disengage to park, and I'm going to plot the proper address. Okay, we should have a window. Right, good. So I'll be disengaging now. And let me just put the address real quick. Okay, this was an interesting drive. I had the wrong address, but we went almost the same route.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Old Country Road.
Now, let me just do this. So this one. Yep, this is it. Okay. Alright, so let me activate FSD. Okay, so steering wheel is turning, so I would say that this will move soon. I was able to say unable to maneuver. So let me just press the accelerator then. And oh, that was a quick turn. Okay, so that's interesting.
Now turn left onto Old Country Road.
I felt that it didn't know that it's okay, so it's no left turn here, so I have to disengage. And let me just actually, no, you know what, let me not. So let me just go and make a right, and let's see where FSD will make a U-turn. Or since there are no cars behind me, let me just go the other way, because I can't make a left from here. So I should just drive manually and go here at the light. Okay, so definitely we can go from here. Okay, now we make a left here.
Now turn left onto Old Country Road.
Okay, good. Now we have a green light. Okay, that was collision warning because of the car that just went to the left turn bay, but it didn't do it quick enough. Now let's see if FSD will do a premature left turn here, or maybe it will just go to the right turn and at the right entrance. Because the last, I think not the last time, but in one of the tests, it actually went to the opposite traffic's
In 500
entrance.
feet, turn left. Then your destination will be on the right.
Okay, I don't think it will get lost. Oh, it will. Oh snap, it will. Oh snap, so
Now turn left.
okay, so let me disengage this one. So I thought that it could go there. So I'm not sure if I should just abandon the test and drive manually, because I mean, let me do it one more time. This is the last time. Okay, let's do it one more time. So I'm just gonna go through this parking lot and then go to the proper road.
Now turn left onto Charlotte Avenue.
Okay, so let me reactivate FSD here.
Now turn left onto West Old Country Road.
Okay, now we have a green light. And now we are making a left.
In 500 feet, turn left. Then your destination will be on the right.
Okay, so I'm not sure why it's not on the left turn bay. Okay, good. Alright, nice.
Now turn left.
Okay, so it's gonna do another premature left turn. So now I will have to disengage and drive myself here. Or maybe I should re-engage at this point. Let me just see one try here, but I have to be ready to disengage. So I re-engaged. So my foot is on the brake pedal. Okay, so we have a window here. Okay, good. Okay, good.
Now
Okay.
your destination is on the right.
So it's not spot on with the engines. Alright, I really gave FSD a lot of chances just to make this trip. I mean, just to help it arrive at the destination. So I'm just driving. I'm driving away now from Dunkin and just give my takeaways. So pretty much it was an unexpected drive First of all, I thought I had the right Dunkin address, but turns out I didn't. I didn't notice it right away up until we were at Old Country Road. So let me just start off from the beginning. FSD was supposed to do the usual exit on the parking lot, but for some reason it made a right turn on stop, and so it went to Hempstead Turnpike, but on the eastbound. It should have been on the westbound. And then FSD was positioned itself on a left turn bay, but it said that for the driver to assist, which I eventually did, and so I had to do the assist, and then I was able to intervene, disengage, went to a parking lot, and then position itself just to make a right turn towards the westbound Hempstead Turnpike. And so once I re-engaged it, it was able to make that right on stop, and then it went through several lights. It was on the middle lane for most of the time, but then right before making a right to North Bellmore Road, FSD was able to make that lane change and then make a right to North Bellmore Road. And then it also was able to go towards Wantagh Parkway, but it made that turn a bit slow. So that was interesting. I just want to point that out. And in addition, it went straight away to the passing lane and stayed there and was able to move back to the right lane. And this is where I thought that it was supposed to exit, but it didn't. And that's why I kind of got confused for a little bit, but then I realized it's going to a different Dunkin. And so it made the lane change to the right lane, exited to the exit that I wasn't expecting, and it was making a right to Old Country Road, but the opposite direction. So I had to disengage and park at a parking lot, and then after that I had to enter the right address, and after that I was able to use FSD. But the thing is, when FSD was reactivated, it didn't move right away, so I pressed the accelerator, but then I think it sped up quickly, and I think it thought that it was not a parking lot, it could just go straight, but then there were boundaries to it, so it can't. So it made a sudden right, and then made a left, and then it stopped there and planned to make a left turn to Old Country Road. Now the thing is, there was a sign that says no left turn, so I disengaged, and I thought I should just go and drive myself to make a right turn, but because there were no cars behind me, I just made a reverse and went to the other exit, which was a light. There was a light there, so I could make a left turn. So I went there, I reactivated FSD and went towards Old Country Road, but then it went to the left turn bay. Now the thing is, it made a premature left turn, so it went to the store right before it, and now I had to disengage, drive manually in this parking lot and go through this side and then reactivate. And so FSD was able to make a left turn to Old Country Road. Now the thing is, FSD took some time before making a turn, lane change towards the left turn bay, and it was able to eventually, but it was thinking of making a left towards the store next door, which was a 7-Eleven. So I had to disengage there, and then I was thinking maybe I should just drive manually, but then I was like, okay, you know what, we're testing anyway, so let me just try to reactivate and see how far FSD can go to Dunkin. So once green light hit, FSD was already activated. It was waiting for a window. It was able to find the window. Now the issue was that it was not, what do you call this? It was making a left, but then it was not sure if it should go to the right way or the wrong way. So FSD kind of went to the exit lane on that entrance/exit area. So I had to disengage and drive myself towards the right instead of it going straight, which was actually, there were oncoming cars will be exiting that way. So I disengaged and just drove back here. So this was a lot of factor. There was a user error from my end of entering the wrong address. And also FSD's issue of not being able to pinpoint the exact spot to enter the Dunkin store. That's also another factor. So just want to point that out. And yeah, those are all my takeaways. And if you find this video helpful or of value, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!